Electric versus petrol luxury car in India. 5-year cost comparison will surprise you. When it comes to luxury cars, making the right choice can be daunting, especially with the rising popularity of electric vehicles. Today, we'll dive into a detailed cost comparison between the electric Mercedes EQC and the petrol-powered Mercedes GLC over 5 years. Let's uncover which vehicle rolls out as the more economical option in India. First up, the Mercedes EQC Electric. The purchase price stands at Rs 1.05 crore, which is Rs 10 lakhs pricier than the petrol GLC. Now, let's break down the costs. Insurance for the EQC is Rs 1.2 lakhs annually, totaling 6 lakhs over 5 years. Service and maintenance are significantly cheaper at 40,000 per year, bringing the total to 2 lakhs over 5 years. Electricity costs for driving 15,000 km annually, with an efficiency of 12 kilo and an average cost of 10 kWh comes to 12,500 per year or 2,500 over 5 years. We also need to consider a battery replacement reserve of 8 lakhs, as the battery may require replacement after 8 to 10 years. Lastly, the depreciation for the EQC is quite steep at 50% in 5 years, leading to a depreciation cost of 52.5 lakhs. Adding it all up, the total cost for the Mercedes EQC over 5 years is 1.5 crore purchase, plus 6 lakhs insurance, plus 2 lakhs service, plus 0.625 lakhs. Electricity, plus 8 lakhs battery reserve, plus 2.5 lakhs depreciation equals 1.74 crore. The resale value after 5 years is expected to be 52.5 lakhs, bringing the net cost to 1.21 crore or 24.2 lakhs annually. Now, let's look at the Mercedes GLC Petrol, which has a purchase price of 95 lakhs. Breaking it down, insurance for the GLC is 1.1 lakh annually, totaling 5 lakhs over 5 years. Service and maintenance costs are higher at 80,000 annually, which equals 4 lakhs over the same 5 years. For fuel costs, at 12 km per litre over 15,000 km annually, and fuel price at 105 per litre, we reach 121 lakhs per year, which totals 6.5 lakhs. Like the EQC, the GLC also sees a depreciation of 50%, leading to 47.5 lakhs in depreciation costs. Thus, the total cost for the GLC over 5 years is 95 lakhs purchase plus Rs 5.5 lakhs insurance, plus 4 lakhs service, plus 6.5 lakhs fuel, plus 47.5 lakhs depreciation equals 1.59 crore. Resale value stands at 47.5 lakhs, resulting in a net cost of 1.11 crore or 22.2 lakhs annually. In conclusion, while the Mercedes EQC electric vehicle has lower running costs, the initial purchase price and future battery replacement have driven the total 5-year cost higher than the GLC petrol option. Overall, the electric vehicle costs around 10 lakhs more over 5 years. However, if you're someone who drives more than 30,000 kilometers annually, the electric option becomes much more attractive due to significant fuel savings. Charging infrastructure is still a challenge outside the metro cities in India. The resale value of electric cars remains uncertain, and power cuts can affect charging reliability. However, if you have a home charging solution and predominantly drive in the city, the electric vehicle could definitely be a worthwhile investment. Electric luxury cars make financial sense only if you drive 25,000 plus kilometers annually. Stay tuned as we explore the future of electric vehicles in India and delve deeper into charging options that are on the rise. So, whether you lean towards the electric or petrol luxury car, it's essential to consider your driving habits and preferences. Would you buy an electric or petrol luxury car? Share your choice.